This video walks you through how to compare reports in QuickBooks Online. Start from the left side of QuickBooks Online and click Reports. This opens the Reports area where you can access the standard financial reports available in your company file. From there, open the report you want to compare. A balance sheet or a profit and loss report is a common place to start, but you can use whichever report fits the review you need. Once the report opens, give the page a moment to load fully if needed, so all report options are visible before you adjust anything. Next, set the date range for the report. You can do that by selecting a report period from the available options or by entering the from and to dates manually. The choice depends on whether you want to review a standard time frame or a custom range. Make sure the dates reflect the exact period you want to compare, since the comparison columns will be based on this selection. If the report uses accounting basis options, choose the accounting method you want. You can select cash or accrual depending on how you want the numbers displayed. If your report is already showing the method you need, you can leave that setting as it is and continue. After that, choose how you want to display the columns. Look for the display columns by setting and select the format that matches the comparison you want to review. This affects how the report organizes the information across the page, so it is worth confirming before moving to the comparison setting. Now open the Compare to drop-down. This menu controls the extra comparison columns that QuickBooks can place next to your main report figures. When the drop-down opens, select the comparison option you want to use. For example, you might choose Previous Year, listed as PY, or another available comparison period shown in your account. The available options can vary based on the report and the date range you selected, so choose the one that matches the review you are trying to make. Once that comparison is selected, the report refreshes with the additional columns displayed side by side. At this point, review the report and compare the figures across the columns. You will be able to look at the current report values next to the comparison period you selected, which helps you check changes between periods directly in the same view. If anything does not look right, the first places to check are the report period, the accounting method, and the comparison option. Those settings determine what appears in the final report view. Your QuickBooks Online report is now displayed with comparison columns side by side.